But nationally, we're learning that more than 70,000 new infections were recorded on Saturday. And that's the first time that we've seen this since July. Channel 3 Eyewitness News reporter Patricia Del Rio has been tracking this surge for us. So, Patricia, what's behind this?
Well, in short, it's possibly colder weather and people indoors, more and more people getting lax about social distancing and other safety measures. And as of today, more than 8 million people in the United States have been infected and nearly 220,000 have died. And we do have breaking news for you this morning. Johns Hopkins University confirms coronavirus infections worldwide have now surpassed 40 million people. It appears COVID is on the rise again.
COVID cases surging across almost all of America. Michigan breaks its record for the biggest weekly jump in cases. Deaths now top 7,000.
There is no relief in sight. Our numbers keep getting worse.
In New York, a coronavirus crackdown. Officials break up an illegal gathering at a banquet hall. Health officials ban a wedding where 10,000 were expected guests.
We have to move fast, jump on top of that viral spread cluster.
Ohio also set a pandemic record for the most infections in a single day.
This thing has roared back.
26 states are in the red zone for new infections. In all, 38 states have new cases trending up. Nationally, over the last week, new cases jumped 18%, averaging 51,000 a day. 5 states have positivity rates higher than 20%, especially shocking South Dakota's rate, 36%, and Iowa just under 50%. Wisconsin now a hotspot where 1 in 4 COVID tests is positive.
It can happen to anyone.
15-year-old Ava Pennycook is still battling long-haul COVID symptoms 3 months after testing positive.
I fumble over my words, body aches and the hot flashes and the headaches.
A warning from former FDA Commissioner Scott Gottlieb telling Face the Nation it is going to be a tough holiday season.
I think this is probably going to be the hardest phase of this pandemic.
Now, Connecticut has seen cases reach or exceed the 5-month high of 2.4%. America is bracing for what could be a very rough fall and winter. But Dr. Anthony Fauci says he's not ready to advocate for a national lockdown. He says it would have to get really, really bad before he would back that. He says we need to continue to use public health measures to get us where we want to go. I'm Patricia Del Rio, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.